She walked into the bank as a traveling nurse, perfect credit, clean paperwork, calm confidence, but within minutes, the story started falling apart. 3 identities, fake utility bills, a Telegram contact, and by the end, she wasn't Madison anymore.
Hey, ma'am. Hey, so we got called here. I guess that they had some suspicious activity from you.
Okay.
So, if you want to go talk to them,
Yeah.
see what's fine. She's gonna go see why we've been called here.
Okay. Give me one second.
Okay.
No, we need to talk to you.
Okay. I'm talking to my son's school for a
No,
second.
we need you to go in here. I'm gonna just talk to you. We gotta find
No.
out what's going on. Can we just go in here, please?
Yep.
Thanks.
What's going on?
All right.
Can we just get the ID that we have?
No, I can stay 10
Okay.
12. All right. Let me know when you're done.
Sorry.
It's okay.
So what is going on?
Okay, so they called, said that you were doing some suspicious activity. She's finding out what's going on right now. Just until we know that nothing's happening,
Okay.
I'm just going to stay here with you while she figures out why they called us, okay?
Okay. Literally just opened that account yesterday. Should be no reason for anything.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Alrighty.
I'll call you guys to question because we have reason to believe that they've stolen information like credit and that kind of thing of somebody else. So we think it's a fraud ring, and we believe
Okay.
that she's part of it.
Okay. Is anyone else here that's on
Nobody
site?
else is
It's just
here.
her? Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the ID that she provided with you?
Yes,
For her?
yesterday
Okay.
and today.
Okay.
And she was here because we gave her a credit card yesterday, and she immediately transferred money off of it like a cash advance, and she was here to get the cash. But that's been what every other person has done too. So they've just kind of all been red flagged into the same group, which anybody can do what they want to with a credit card, but it's because of all of the things matching. Every one of them gave us a Duke Energy bill. Every one of them said they're traveling nurses working out of Orlando, and they all had out-of-state IDs.
Okay. All Michigan or just different
No,
states?
one was Illinois. I don't know the other person yesterday. I do believe was Michigan.
Okay.
But I can pull it up before you leave.
Okay. Can you pull up everything? So how much money did she take out? Or
But she hasn't. We didn't give it to her yet. We were stalling
Okay.
her. But she was trying to get 4,000.
4,000 today?
4,000 in
Cash.
cash to pay her rent. But she owns something in Michigan. She's working in Orlando, but she's staying in Wildwood. Like, it just kind of all
Okay.
makes sense.
So give me everything what you have, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to see what she's saying. Thank you. Okay. What's your name, ma'am?
Madison.
Madison. All right. So they called us, I guess, because they feel like there's some fraudulent activity going on. I guess you're traveling. Can you just tell me exactly? I don't know
I'm a travel
what.
nurse.
Okay.
I lived in Michigan and Illinois. I owned over there. I started traveling out here. I work for Orlando Regional. I live out here with my friends. I rent for $500.
Here in Ocala?
Yes.
Okay.
I give them a bill with everything on it.
Okay.
There should have never been an issue.
Yeah, they're saying that. I guess
Like, I'm really not.
they
understanding.
flagged your. So do you have a Florida ID, or have you been
No,
issued?
I
But
haven't
you're a
been-
nurse at ORMS in Orlando. Okay.
Yeah, so now I was gonna.
How
travel
long have you been a nurse in Orlando?
A year. I've been well, not in Orlando. I've been a nurse in general a year.
Okay.
Been back and forth. I'm a
In
travel
Orlando.
nurse.
Okay.
I'm a travel nurse. Yes.
All right. So you reside in Ocala and you go
I
back
go
and
back
forth.
and forth.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So. Yes, baby, I hear you.
And you have never been issued a Florida ID?
I haven't been around to it. Yeah, just,
You haven't been around
Yeah,
to
just
getting
have
it.
to go to the
So the
DMV.
answer is no.
No.
Okay. All right. And is this your correct information on this? Okay.
So I'm Officer Samard. I'm kind of assisting.
Okay. I'm Mindy.
Since she's not worked too many fraud cases.
Okay.
So if you could just kind of run me through what's going on.
Okay, I'm getting copies of everything. So basically, we had already kind of been watching an account, just us in this branch, that we had opened about a week and a half ago. Because it was just very strange activity. Like, the guy came in, he said he was a traveling nurse, perfect credit, looked beautiful on paper, income made sense with traveling nurse, all of that. Everything seemed kosher. Provided a utility bill for proof of residence because he had a out-of-state driver's license. This is that person I'm talking about. So an Illinois driver's license. We did kind of question because we're not familiar with the Illinois driver's license. We, whatever. We looked up online. It looked like all the same marks, whatever. So fast forward, the MSI that helped him had to go in his account like the next day to see something, like fixing something or doing whatever he's doing. And he noticed really weird activity on his credit card. And so, you know, we give people a credit card, they can do whatever they want to with it. But we also are in this, I've been in it for 19 years. I know what people usually do with their credit cards and stuff. And his just didn't make any sense. He literally went on a shopping spree. He paid for something that was like something with junk. I don't know, it was like a $6,000 transaction. But anyway, so we had kind of been watching that. Yesterday, this young lady and another person, a guy came in,
That guy?
the other guy that was up here a minute ago.
What was their story? They were together? Or?
He came in wanting a credit card specifically, which so did the other guy. So the other guy that we had been watching, he came in wanting a credit card. This guy came in wanting a credit card and an account. They knew exactly, like they came super prepared. Like I remember my other MSR also saying, like, I've never had a member come in that was so prepared. Usually if we need verification of address or something, it's an issue because people don't come in thinking you're going to have to verify their address. So he came in looking for a credit card. This guy yesterday, he came in wanting a credit card and wanting a new account with us. And while he was here with her, we mentioned to her, you know, are you looking for the same thing or whatever? So she never actually asked for it. We kind of like what we call cross-sold it to her. But all of the information that was given to us was kind of weird information, just like he had given us. Does that make sense? Like it's out-of-state driver's license, same Duke Energy bills.
And okay, but they weren't together, or
Yeah, they were together in my office.
okay.
They did physically come in together.
Yeah.
So if you look at all of these bills, there's inconsistencies with this. You can see the font is different. Even this font is different on these two. And then the other one, if it prints.
That was how they were going to prove their address.
Right. And so now that we put them all together, because you know there were 3 different scenarios, but when you put them all together, you see, okay, well that's weird. How are they all out of state? They all live somewhere that has Duke Energy. None of the bills like match as far as the fonts. And the third one is different too.
May I see?
Yeah, of course. And I'm going to print the other one too. Which one did?
I mean,
It's her and Kaufman. This guy's didn't print.
So why was she leaving when y'all still had her driver's
Because she
license?
said, we told her we were getting her cash because she came to get $4,000 in cash. So I said the tellers are working on that. And I asked her some more questions because it was our impression yesterday that the mortgage that she has on her credit report was for the house that she gave us the address for in Wildwood. So whatever that address is for her, this Madison, this one.
Okay.
But now today she's telling me that the credit report mortgage is for her address in Michigan that's on her driver's license. This is where she's renting, and that's what she's wanting to get the $4,000 to pay rent for.
So
She had some questions for you guys.
Yeah.
you were the one that helped.
him
This-
and the girl,
Okay.
Madison.
Did they make any small talk with you? Say if they were like in a relationship, or
Yeah,
if they?
they were definitely in a relationship. They both met at Orlando Regional. They said they were traveling nurses, and they met there.
Okay.
And yeah, they're definitely together.
And they both live together.
No, they don't.
Were they opening up an account together?
No.
Separately?
Well, that's kind of like what she said. Like, he came in to open the account. He left for a couple minutes to take a phone call. And then I kind of asked her, I was like, hey, you know, where do you bank? Because, you know, just kind of how we do things. And then she was like, oh, no. And then basically that conversation initiated her opening up an account as well.
So, I'm getting a detective on his way over here. She's still talking to.
Yeah.
I got Bowman looking at driver's license. I'm having Channel 3 to send me the formatting for driver's license in Michigan for issuing date 2021. Still talking to him?
Thanks.
I was worried.
Okay. Well,
That's you calling me? Okay. Yes. All right. I'm listening.
he could come and sit down with you if he
He
needs
just drove off. He wanted to go get some food. I told him.
to. Okay.
Yeah.
That's no problem. So, you understand the concern that the bank has?
Yes, I understand.
Okay,
In
so-
a way.
I'm sorry?
In a way. Because why? Because I opened an account and I'm trying to pull out a big amount. That's what they had explained to me.
Okay, yeah, I guess so. So they're trying to find out if your ID is fake.
Okay.
So we have ways to find out the fake, you know, is that your true identification or that? You know,
5085.
So they're trying to verify the.
Your identification. They're trying to verify that.
Okay.
And that was a detective that just came and spoke with you. Yeah. He's trying to figure out the whole fraudulent part of it all.
go ahead, have a seat.
386 Any method advising this may be a 645 injury.
You coming in?
Yeah. I'm Detective Williams. Okay.
I was trying to
Listen.
So we gotta pee really, really bad. So don't mind my shaking.
All right.
But I'm listening.
What I need you to do is give me your real name, okay? Because what's going to happen is you're going to be booked into jail under John Doe, and I'm going to put a bond on there where no one can bond you out. Okay? So, give me your name. What is it? J-U-L-A.
Sorry.
I'm going to let you pee, and then we're going to go to the district.
Well, hold on a second, and I apologize. So, I know you didn't come here alone. Where is he waiting for you at?
He left already.
No, you guys from Orlando. What kind of car does he drive?
It's a Honda, a navy blue Honda, and it's a rental.
Okay, it's a blue Honda. It's a light blue, dark blue.
Dark blue.
Okay, 4-door, 2-door.
Two-door.
Okay, and where were you parked at? When
At Publix.
by Publix? Okay, so you had a conversation with him. Are you sure he left, or you told he's gonna wait for you? Because
No,
at the
he's
end.
not waiting for me. He already said I already left.
Okay, so
Yeah. Especially when
he was waiting for you to call him back so you come and pick you up if you're gonna get released.
Exactly.
So are you gonna call him and tell him, hey, I'm leaving, come and get me?
Why would I do that? He has nothing to do with this. He doesn't have nothing to do with it. Ask for a ride.
Okay. What's his name?
Why?
So if it's not the guy that's involved with you in this, then let us verify that. You know, so what I'm saying, because at the end of the day,
I don't wanna
all
put him-
this is gonna go down on you.
I get it, but this is my doing, and this is
Okay.
with my face, and this is my thing. I don't want to involve somebody into something that they don't have anything to do with it. I just asked him to bring me to the bank, so I don't want to involve him into something. And then all I did is call him and tell him the cops are here, and then I tell him to leave, and then now I'm telling him to come back. I wouldn't want to involve him like that, to be honest. This is my mistake.
Is it not the same guy that was with you here the other day when you opened the account?
No, that's somebody different. Yeah.
Who's that guy?
He goes by some guy named Mo. To be honest.
No,
No.
but I just want to know about the car. So
Let's get her to the district.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so they probably want you to, I'm going to get her to, it's literally 5 minutes up the road.
Yeah.
Wait.
The district
Yeah.
office.
Honestly, I've been waiting for the whole time.
Okay, let
To
me
be
see if they'll
honest.
allow you to use
Okay,
the restroom,
please,
okay?
please. I don't mind, but
that's your purse over there. 10, 15, honey? And take it out.
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back, Julia. It's easier if you just sit down first and then swing your legs around and watch your head. Watch yourself. Which office did he say? Okay.
Just have a seat. The detectives are going to be a little bit because they're still at the bank, but as soon as they get here, they'll come in and talk to you, okay? Want a candy bar? We got candy bars.
I'm a candy bar.
All right, Julia, we've met already. I'm Detective Williams, like I said earlier. What's your address in Orlando?
I don't have an address earlier. I'm staying at an Airbnb.
You're staying at an Airbnb?
Or I go to a hotel. I don't have a
Okay,
permanent address.
you don't have a permanent address. What was your old one?
It's my grandma's house in Miami.
Okay. So before I can talk to you about the incident that happened here, I'm going to read your... Have you been arrested before? Never been arrested before? Okay. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have your presence while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. You can decide anytime to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Okay? So having that in mind, can you tell me how this all started?
working at the club. At this point, there's no reason to lie. So I met some guy named Justin. Don't know much about him. I'm looking for an apartment. So he said I can help you. And then I said okay. And obviously he told me what we were doing. So he took a picture of my face. He made the ID, and then he just told me this is what you have to do. This is the information. He made me write down the piece of paper, learn it, and then that was that. And then now we're here.
Was Justin with y'all today?
No.
Is Justin any of these guys?
No, Justin is the one that was with me yesterday that opened up.
Okay.
Who I was on the phone with earlier
Okay.
was my friend that dropped me off to the bank.
Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't even know what's going on.
And Justin opened up an account as well? You don't know Justin's last name? What club did you meet him at?
Diamond Dolls.
Diamond Dolls?
Yeah.
And he works there?
No.
No?
Customer.
He's a customer?
Yeah, I was just there drinking with my friends. We just met.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Do you know these guys' information?
No, to be honest, I do not.
Were they there with you?
Only the Justin guy.
Okay, and...
What other guys? I just heard guys. So.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's who I was with. That's Justin.
That's Justin? So Justin goes to Richard. So, today you got caught. What other banks have you gone to?
Truist.
Where was that at?
If I'm not mistaken, it was the one in Ocala? No, this is Ocala.
This is Ocala.
Okay.
Is it a Popka? Is it...
Keep going. Starts with an O. I think it's
Ocoee?
I think it was Ocoee, yes.
Okay.
There we go, yeah.
I found another ID, though, for Illinois.
For Illinois, yeah. I didn't get to use it yet.
Okay. Are you sure about that?
It was for... Which one? The Holly? Yeah, I used that one, and then she got denied at Truist, yeah.
Okay. What about TD Bank?
She got denied as well.
There's credit cards.
She shouldn't have any credit cards.
All right.
That I know of, I thought she got denied, to my understanding.
So
I don't know if he, because obviously, I'll tell you, we put it towards an address that we can get mail to. That's what he does, and then they get the cards to there. So I don't know if he was able to grab the card himself.
So when you go, is it always in person?
Yes.
You never go anywhere, or you never do anything online? So you go in person? All right, give me 2 seconds.
And then the TD, the only thing I have for the Holly one is a debit card.
Okay, so you have a debit card. So you open an account?
Yeah.
At TD Bank?
Yeah, for the Holly one, for the Holly face.
And for Stephanie?
Stephanie, I don't believe so. I don't think I got to
There's
that.
a debit card.
There's a debit card for her, so then I...
So you...
But I don't think that she got approved. So...
When you say approved, what do you mean?
Like for a credit card.
For a credit card?
Yes.
So this...
These are just checking accounts.
Okay, so you...
Yeah,
and when you open those checking accounts, do you deposit money in there?
Just up to how much they need to open up the account, which is like $50.
Yeah. So you would go to the bank, open the account, and then what?
Ask if I can apply for a credit card.
That same day? Do they usually let you apply for a card that day? And then you may or may not be approved?
You have to wait for the approval.
The approval, okay. And then after it's approved, what happens?
I wouldn't really be able to tell you because I haven't gotten that far yet.
Okay. Okay. So when did you start doing this?
Just a few days ago.
A few days ago?
Yeah. Maybe like a week, if that.
How do you communicate with Justin?
There's an app called Telegram.
An app called Telegram?
And then he gave me a number.
So Telegram has a phone number?
No, it's through an app, like an app name.
Okay.
There's no phone number.
So it would be
like your first name, last name type of thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And his just says Justin S.
Justin S. The guy that you were with, who is he?
The one from yesterday, that's Justin.
No, the one that was driving today. Is that a friend of yours?
Oh yeah, that's just my friend Austin.
Okay.
Yeah, no, he doesn't have nothing to do with nothing. Yeah. since I don't have a car, I asked him if he can take me to the bank.
Okay.
Because Justin had called me and told me that they blocked the account.
Okay.
That I needed to go and block it. So I just asked my friend to take me to the bank, and now we're here.
Does Justin expect anything from you after doing this?
What do you mean? Like,
Money?
I mean, originally I was supposed to take out the money, and then we were supposed to split it.
Split it. When he takes out money, does he split with you?
I don't know if he takes out money.
You don't know?
I never seen him just split.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I didn't get that far.
I understand. I understand. All right. Officer or Detective Rodriguez may have something else he wants to ask you.
Okay.
Maybe that I didn't cover. Okay. Do you need anything else?
No, I just have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Would I be able to write down numbers when I go to jail?
I'll check with my sergeant, okay?
Okay. I just want to be able to call my mom.
Your mom. All right.
Hey Julia, I'm Detective Rodriguez. You good? You got enough water? Yeah. Okay. So searching your purse, we noticed several receipts for Truist Bank. All right. How many different Truist accounts were opened up?
3.
There's 3 different ones?
I'll leave the stuff in me. The one I did today.
You did one today?
No, like the face that I used today, the Madison.
The Madison. Okay.
Yeah, that's what
So those are the 3?
Yeah.
So for those separate accounts, did you make any withdrawals? Did you make any deposits?
No, not on my end.
Okay.
Like I wasn't able to. Because
Right.
I know that they mostly got denied for
Okay.
like the credit applications.
Yeah.
So I wasn't able to do much with them.
Okay.
I just have one question.
Sure.
How deep does this go? Because you guys just showed me somebody I've never seen before.
That's who showed you who?
Like, there's another guy. So.
Right now, this is what we're trying to figure out. All right. You've been straight. You've been real cooperative, and we appreciate that. We'll make sure that that's going to be notated. Okay. But it's just something that we're still looking into, trying to figure out right now. Okay. So you said those 3 different people. You opened 3 different accounts at Truist Bank. Did you make any deposits?
Just
anything?
like my regular money of just opening up an account, like the $50, $100 that they require to open up the bank account.
There was something, a receipt that mentions like 2,000 or something for a Truist account.
Are you sure it's not my Truist account with my name on it?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. It doesn't specify any names.
It could be for my account.
Okay, so you have a personal account with
Truist, yes. Me and Julia.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight a few more. All right. Thank you.
What makes this case powerful isn't just the fake ID, it's the structure behind it. At first glance, everything looked legitimate. A traveling nurse working in Orlando, out-of-state ID utility bill for proof of residence, solid income. Nothing about that automatically screams fraud. But fraud investigations rarely collapse because of one mistake. They collapse because of patterns. The bank had already been watching another account opened under nearly identical circumstances. Same profession, same out-of-state identification, same Duke Energy bill format, same urgency for credit. That's when this stopped being coincidence and started looking coordinated. The immediate request for a $4,000 cash withdrawal is what accelerated suspicion. In financial crime investigations, timing matters. And opening an account and quickly attempting large cash advances is a classic red flag, especially when paired with newly issued credit. Then came the document comparison. When employees placed the utility bills side by side, font inconsistencies became obvious. Subtle differences, formatting shifts, small design errors. These are details most people overlook, but experienced fraud investigators don't. When law enforcement steps in, the tone shifts dramatically. Notice how her confidence starts to weaken once detectives begin verifying the identification. The moment she's told she could be booked as John Doe, reality hits. Identity becomes central to the investigation. And then comes the turning point, the admission. She explains meeting a man named Justin at a club. He allegedly created the ID, gave her information to memorize. directed her where to go, communicated through Telegram, promised to split the money. That statement is legally significant. Organized fraud isn't about a single fake card. It's about coordination, multiple identities, structured attempts to obtain funds. Even if money isn't successfully withdrawn, the attempt itself, combined with forged documents and identity misrepresentation, satisfies elements of conspiracy and fraud statutes. Another critical moment is her effort to distance the driver. She insists he's uninvolved. That protective instinct often signals layered participation, where individuals handle separate roles: transportation, document creation, account setup, communication. Fraud rings thrive on compartmentalization. Telegram is frequently used in these schemes due to anonymity and limited traceability. But that detail reinforces organization rather than spontaneity. Emotionally, you see the shift when she asks to write down her mother's number. That's when the weight of consequences becomes real. The scheme that may have started as easy rent money now carries felony exposure. The final outcome reflects the seriousness: organized fraud, forgery, identity theft, 116 days in jail, 48 months of probation, 300 hours of community service. 4 years of probation tells you the court viewed this as structured criminal behavior, not a minor lapse in judgment. This case is a reminder that modern fraud doesn't look reckless. It looks prepared, clean, professional, but consistency exposes everything. Patterns always surface. If you found this breakdown valuable and want more deep analysis of real interrogations and financial crime cases, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who follows true crime, and subscribe for more courtroom commentary.